Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I got the Jeffree Star's the Star Lounge. Where I thought I grabbed something to stab this with, but I didn't. Okay, let's see if we can just peel up the tape. And this one, his Star Lounge stuff, it didn't come in a like with the little tape like the other stuff does. So I thought that was a little different. I don't know, I was expecting it to have like, I don't know, like little pot leaves or something. There's a noise outside my house. We're getting there. Jeez. Ah. And then we have our first one, our second one. There was only two of them. Pull these out of here so this box can be out of the way. Ooh, that's the little, oh, sorry. Yeah, the Deluxe and the Supreme, and it's just the little order form. I guess you don't get little cards in these ones. So let's start with this one. I'm assuming the Deluxe and the other one must be the Supreme, because these ones don't have the little stickers on them like his makeup ones that say on it. So let's see. What do we get? Ooh, how cool. First thing we got is a really cute little beanie. It has a little powder puff at the top. And a little emblem. How cool. Oh, how cool. I was hoping these came in one of them. It's the little 3-pack. The red, white, and green little grinders that he has. Let me go out. These little guys that have the little, and then if you can see it in the bottom, I don't know if you can through the, let me, I love that his little stuff, he even, oh how cute, it's even the same color as, oops, let me not have that in my hand, as the little thing. Little scraper, that's so cute. Okay. That's super cool. Put this back in here so it's safe. Toss that over here. And then we have a Hi, How Are You mint hoodie. That's what the little thing does. There, can you guys see that? It's really light on there. And then it says, can you see it? Oh, hi, how are you? How cute. I'm excited because it's cold. And last but not least in this box, we got a 200 ml glass snap lid jar, which is, I'm so excited I didn't order some of these with it because I thought about ordering one and I didn't know what color I was going to want to get, but they're like his little jars. That's so exciting. Okay, let's open the other one now. Oops, this goes this way. Which it even has like, it's all packed in there. Super nice. That's so cool. Excited. Toss these back in here. So we can move on to the next one. This is the Supreme. Oh, I got an eyelash in my eye. Sorry, guys. And then, too, I've been lagging, but I still have my Halloween ones. And I ordered those light-up mirrors, and I have them literally sitting right next to me. I just haven't done it yet. I haven't decided if I want to do them all together or not yet. But, let's see, what does this say? Red chrome leaf. Not rip our sticker. Oh, how pretty. Nice little Christmassy box. I love that. I love getting mirrors. Okay. And then next up we have a t-shirt. And then, oh yes. And then the cotton candy swirl, hi, how are ya? Sweater. I'm so excited. And it came with the hi, how are ya bomber. How exciting! And then last but not least in here, what's this one? A baby pink grinder. Let's see it. How cute. That's exciting. I think I might have this green one, or maybe I bought the purple one. I don't think I did buy this green one. I think I bought the purple one when I bought a bomber. I'll have to check all my stuff, but that's really exciting because I don't have any of those, and I have a bunch of his sweaters and stuff. And I thought about this, and then I was gonna buy that limited edition sweater too, but it would not load together when I was trying to load it with the other one up on the site to get it, and I couldn't get it to load that day, and when I took it out my cart loaded, so that's why I didn't buy that one, if anyone is wondering. Watch out, cooks, you're gonna be roasted this side. Alright, and then if you're still around, this is, you can even tell it's been sitting in my room. It's just been getting all, but see how these ones have, yeah. So let's get ripping into this one now, so we can see what we got, huh? Yeah. No best friend. No licking my face. Not right now. I just doing smoochies. No smoochies. Okay. Oh, yeah. Woo. There we go. Alright, that one's happy. So let's do this for this side. This is, yeah, the Halloween, the Deluxe Premium and Supreme. So let's start with this one's the Premium. Yeah, see how these ones are Premium. What's in there? Let's see, the Weirdo palette. I'm so excited. I bought these instead of buying it on its launch thing. It's a Weirdo palette. And then we have Witch's Brew for a lip scrub. That's exciting. Next thing we have is a Supreme Gloss. And it just has that on it, not a name. Let's see what the color is. So it's taped. Can you stop? It's in here breathing all heavy on me, dude. Oh, that's really pretty. Alright, let's see what's next in here. We have Gravedigger, and it's in a velvet. One of the cool little magnet cases. Oh, that's pretty. Let me, in case you were wondering what it looked like. I love how soft these ones look, and then the magnet, that's so cool. Okay. Next, please go back in. Yeah. What's this? Jeffree Star Skin, coming soon. After years formulating, testing, the skin care line you've always dreamed of is almost here. That's the lipstick we already looked at. And then we got, what is this one? A lip liner in Scorpio. And then a Supreme Frost in Frozen Peach. That's exciting. Ooh, not throw this stuff. Let me put this in here and toss it over here. And then I think it would be deluxe. Is this one the deluxe? Yeah, deluxe. Medium. Oh, please don't rip the box. Okay. I don't want to rip them. I save all these boxes. Okay. That's what we got going on here. Ooh. And this little thing on the top, there was little stuff. Let's go through that. First up, we got a liquid lipstick in Weirdo. That's exciting. And then, oops, we got a Diet Shane lip balm. Oops. And then we got 6 Feet Under in the gloss. Oops. And then we got a Velvet Trap lipstick in Fire Started. Let's see what that one looks like. Ooh, that's a pretty color. And then it looks like we have a lip scrub. Is it the same as the other one? Yeah, something on my finger. Let's be stable. Lip scrub, yeah, Witch's Brew. How exciting. I hope it's good. I have 2 of them. Some tissue. Oh, how cute. A little bat bag, which is funny because I did order that transparent bat makeup bag with this stuff. And now I'm going to have 2. I think the other one's a little different than this, but how cute. Now I'll have 2. I love that. I love the little bat thing. We got another Weirdo palette. Please don't fall. And then we have, what's this one? Because on the front it's just a pink sticker. What is this one? What'd we get? Oh, a blood sugar. In the red box. How cute. Oh. There we go. And then next up in here, oh how cool, we got I think this one's it says volume 2. Yeah, open here for the nudes. A mini lipstick bundle. Ooh. That one's upside down. And then last but not least in here, oh, there's another little thing saying about the skincare. This one has the little thing on the shirt. How cool. Let me pack this stuff over here. Move it real quick so that I can open the next one and not get everything all mixed up. I know, I like to keep it all in the box. Oh, here it is. The other one I ordered. See this one with the little itty bitty bat wings he has out? This is so cute too. I liked it because it was the clear. Like the clear bags that used to be really cool when I was in school. And then last but not least, we have the Supreme. And this one doesn't look, it looks like they might have ran out of tape while doing it. The little end of the tape's right there. But that's okay. Oh, I just ripped the crabbles out of the box. And well, I guess we're ripping this one a little bit. Sam ripped it. And this one we got another little skincare paper. And then first up we got the mini controversy palette, but I think this is the one with the little emerald color in it because it's green in there. And then we got another weirdo palette. I'm really excited. I like the colors on that. And then we got, is it in there? A cremated palette. I love buying the mystery boxes and getting all these extra stuffs. And then I have the Love Me Not. I think I have this one though. That's cool though. And then, if this would like to... Oh, how cool. This one's Coal, right? Gravedigger. And I have the other two, so now I think I have all three of his little... This is the brown one, yeah, all three of the eyeliners. That's exciting. Next up, we have a lip liner in Leo. And then we have Magic Star Concealer in the pale yellow. That's cool. I've never tried one of those ones. And then we have Red Affair and a Velvet Trap. I want to see what color that is. Ooh, I like that one. That's really pretty. That shall go in my makeup bag. And then we have two little eyeshadows, and one's tax-free and the other one is snack. That's tax-free. Oh, you guys can't really see that, huh? I forgot about that with these. I open it. Look how pretty. Oop, I can flip it around. Tax-free. So excited to put all these little shades in a little palette because I have so many of those little palettes now too with these. Freak yeah. And then this one is Snap. I can get it open. Oh no, I put that one in backwards. Oh well. Then we got a liquid lip in Cherry Wet. We got Natural Magic Star Luminous Setting Powder in Natural. We've got the gloss in Mouthful. And then another Witch's Brew lip scrub. It's exciting. I'm gonna give my mommy one. And this I'm so excited for too. The mirror. It's called Black Soft Touch. I don't know if I showed you guys the other mirror sticker. Let's get this open. No, what's the other thing? Yes. This one isn't a metallic sticker like the other one. It's not wanting to peel up so easy for me. Come on, please peel up. So I hate cutting my nails. Okay, one, two. We'll get here. The little Jeopardy music's all playing in my head. It's all do 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 do. Okay. Haha. Got it open. Okay. Open, please. How cool! It has little. You see the little trips. That's so cool. I like that so much. I know, I probably say that like a million times in this, but... And then last but not least in here, we have a sweater. Let's see. That has the logo there, and then... Oh, cool. On the back, there's a Black Widow. How freaking cool. So that is everything I got in all my recent mystery boxes. I really hope you guys liked today's video. Sorry these mystery boxes are so late. I got super caught up in life and just a bunch of things I had to do and moving and all this fun stuff. Thank you guys so much. Please remember to like and subscribe if you liked this video so you know when I post again. See you guys next time. Bye.